Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 103. I'm standing on the shore of Lake Tahoe, where the mountains meet the water. The lake is perfectly still, clear enough to see every stone beneath the surface, and so wide it almost feels like an ocean held in the mountains. Across the water, the Nevada peaks are still capped with snow, and the light shifts from turquoise to deep blue as clouds drift above. It's hard to imagine this vast calm sitting just beyond the winding roads and steep passes of the Sierra Nevada. Tahoe has always drawn people here, from the Washoe Tribe who called it Daʔaw, to travelers crossing the mountains in search of something brighter. Standing here you see why. There's nothing to it but breathe, listen, and let the quiet take over.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.